Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to clean and unclog this sink. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to fix this faucet handle that is hard to lift or open. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to put the link at the upper topmost right side of the screen. Right under our sink, we have our so-called P-trap. This catches any debris or gunk that falls into the sink, and this holds a small amount of water, so we definitely need a bucket or something that will catch the water if we remove this P-trap. If in case we can't remove these coupling nuts by hand, we can use either a plier, a sink drain wrench, or a strap wrench. We can remove these coupling nuts by turning it counterclockwise. Next, we are going to remove this pivot rod, but before removing it all the way, we need to put something in between the sink and the drain stopper to avoid the drain stopper from going all the way in, and if so, it is hard to remove by hand. But if in case the drain stopper went all the way in, we can just insert the pivot rod and pry the drain stopper upward. And now we can remove the whole pivot rod. In this video, I'll be using a used toothbrush to clean this tailpiece from top to bottom, including the drain stopper. After cleaning the tailpiece and the drain stopper, might as well clean this wall bent tube. Now let's put everything back together. Remember not to tighten right away a single coupling nut. We should work on these 3 coupling nuts simultaneously to compensate any adjustments from these pipes to ensure proper fitting. Now let's install this pivot rod. After we're done, let's wipe any excess water and check for any leaks. If there are no leaks present, we are good to go. Thank you so much for all your support and thank you for watching. Have a good one.